The dough is kneaded, then rolled super thin, and then it's smeared with a butter and flour mixture, and another layer of rolled dough is added on top. The two layers are rolled tightly together. It's then chilled, divided, and rolled out again, and then it's deep fried in some hot oil. Once it's cooled, it's dredged in powdered sugar. Happy holidays from Cravings Food Adventures. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ahmed, and today I'm going to show you how to make Phenori, also known as Chirote or angel wings. We typically make these over the Christmas holidays, but they're also made at Diwali, during Eid, by many different cultures over many different religious occasions. They're just different versions of the same recipe. Today I'm going to be showing you a really easy way to make these in no time. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I have 2 cups here of pre-sifted flour. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter or ghee, and I'm going to work it into the flour. Next, I'm going to add enough warm water, a little bit at a time, and I'm going to work it into a dough. This will be about 1 to 1.5 cups of water. Keep working this dough until it's nice and smooth. Cover the dough and allow this to sit for about 30 minutes. While the dough rests, let's make a mixture of butter and cornstarch. I have 2 tablespoons here of room temperature butter, and I'm also going to be adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can also add ghee if you prefer, or regular flour or rice flour if you wish. Mix this well, and if it's a little bit thick, you can warm it up just a tad to get this to a nice spreadable smooth paste. The dough has now rested and it's nice and supple. I'm going to divide this in half and then in quarters. I'm going to roll out the first quarter, dust it with flour as needed, and you're going to roll this out as thin as possible. Keep this aside, and I'm going to work on the next one. I'm going to roll out the second one as thin as well. It's crucial to roll this dough as thin as possible so you get nice crispy layers. Now I'm going to spread half of the butter mixture over the surface. If you wish, you can sprinkle flour or semolina over the top of the spread butter. Cover with the first quarter that you rolled out, and I'm going to press down on the edges. Now I'm going to roll this together really tightly. Halfway through, I'm just going to dab a little bit of butter mixture and a little bit at the end, and I'm going to cover this and chill it for about 20 minutes while I work on the second half. This is not necessary, but it does make it very easy to slice later. Now I'm going to work on the other 2 quarters. I'm going to sprinkle some semolina over the top, and I'm going to roll it tightly again. Once these are chilled, I'm going to slice these into about 1 centimeter strips. Now listen to this tip. Place this on a flat side so you can see the circular motion, and I'm going to place this on top of some cling wrap. I'm going to fold the cling wrap over the top, and I'm going to roll this into an oval shape. Using cling wrap helps you to roll this out much more easily. What I like to do is 2 at a time. Once these are all rolled out, you're ready to fry them. I've got some oil heating up here, and once I think it's hot enough, I'm going to insert the first Phenori. As the oil gets hotter, I'm going to add some more of the rolled out discs. You can see as they fry up, you can see the concentric circles, and you can see them as they start to brown, they get super crisp. Fry these till they're golden brown and then remove them and drain them on some kitchen towel. And I'm ready to add in another batch. When the first batch has cooled down but is barely warm, I'm going to dip these into sugar that has been pulsed just a bit. I've taken some sugar and just pulsed it 1 or 2 times so you have a smooth sugar but you can still see the grains. Don't pulse it too much or use icing sugar as it makes the Phenori sticky. Dip it in the sugar and coat on all sides. Now I'm going to repeat this process. And for my health-conscious friends, yes, you can bake it. The version on the right is baked and the other one is deep fried. It definitely has a different texture, but it can be done. When cooled completely, store these in a steel or metal container and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Phenori or angel wings. Trust me, you're going to want to double, triple, maybe even quadruple this recipe because these are going to be snapped up by your friends and family in no time. Everyone's going to love it. If you love the recipe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and let me know what you think about the video, but also what other kinds of recipes you're looking to see. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also that you've rung the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy holidays. Bye.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!